Dear Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss income exempt from tax in Income Tax Ordinance 2001. First is pensions. Pensions regarding pensions is summarized below. Pension received by a former employee of Pakistan Armed Force, federal government or provincial government is not taxable. Next, B, the pension received from the United Nations or its a specialized agency by a citizen of Pakistan is exempt provided that salary of such person was also not taxable under Pakistani income tax law. C, the pensions received by any citizen of Pakistan from his former employer is exempt. However, this exemption will not be available if the retired person works for the same employer or associates of this employer in any capacity for any enumeration. Next, D, any pension granted under the rules to the families and the dependents of the Shaheed belonging to Pakistan Armed Force is completely exempt. E, in case a person receives more than one pension, only the amount of a higher pension will be exempt. Pensions of a former president. A new clause has been added through Finance Act 2008 by the virtue of which the pension received by the former president of Pakistan and his widow will not be taxable. Next, encashment of leave preparatory to retirement. Any sum representing encashment to leave preparatory or to retirement received by an employee of Armed Force of Pakistan, federal government or provincial government is exempt. Amount of gratuity or commutation of pension. If an amount is received as gratuity or commutation of pension by an employee on his retirement or by his heroes on the death of employees, the exemption is provided according to the following rules. A, if the amount is received from government, local authority, a statutory body, or a corporation, whole amount is exempt from tax. If the amount is received from a gratuity funds approved by the Commissioner of Income Tax, again the whole amount is non-taxable. See, if the amount is received from an organization which gives the facility of gratuity to all its employees, an amount up to rupees 3 lakh is exempt from tax. D, in case the amount is being received from an organization where A, B, and C above don't apply, 50% of the amount received or 75,000, whichever is less, will be exempt. Next, in the following cases, the amount will be fully taxable. Amount received outside Pakistan, amount received by a director from his company. If the director is not a regular employee of the company, amount received by an employee who is not a resident of Pakistan, amount of gratuity received by an employee who has already received gratuity from the same or any other employer. Next, investment of pension funds in monthly installment plan. An amount received as monthly installment from an income plan invested out of a accumulated balance of the individual pension account is exempt from tax. It is necessary, however, that the accumulated balance is invested for a period of 10 years. Amount received from a superannuation fund. Any amount received from an approved superannuation fund paid on the death of the beneficiary or in the lieu of any annuity by the way of refunds of contribution on the death of the beneficiary will be exempt from tax. accumulated balance of provident fund. An accumulated amount received by an employee participating in the provident fund is exempt from tax, provided that it is a recognized provident fund. Amount received from workers' participation fund. The amount received by a person out of workers' participation fund established under the Companies Profit Act 1968 will not be taxable. Amount received from benevolent fund. An amount received by an employee or a members of his family from a benevolent fund scheme under the provisions of Central Benevolent Fund and the Group Insurance Act 1969 is non-taxable. Special allowance. Special allowance is if an employee receive a special allowance guaranteed to meet expenses which are incurred in the performance of the official duty, such as allowance will be exempt from tax. Even if the expenses actually incurred are less than the allowance, the excess amount is not liable to tax. Examples of such allowance are traveling allowance, daily allowance, uniform allowance, etc. Facilities of accommodation. The facilities of the rent-free accommodation provided to the following persons is not taxable: Presidents of Pakistan, provincial governors, Chief of Staff of Pakistan Army, Navy and Air Force, Corps commanders, federal government ministers, judges of Supreme Court and High Courts. Facilities of conveyance and entertainment allowance. The facilities of the conveyance provided by the government and entertainment allowance given by the government to the following person is also exempt from tax: Provincial governors, Chief of Staff, Pakistan Armed Force, Corps commanders, ministers of federal governments. Perquisites received by employee. The following facilities received by an employee by the virtue of his employment are exempt from tax with effect from tax year 2006. A. Fees, concessional passages provided by the transporters to the employee and their household and dependents. B. Free or subsidized food provided by hotels and restaurants to its employees during office hours. Free or subsidized education provided by an educational institutions to the children of its employees. Free or concessional medical treatment provided by a hospital or clinic to its employees. Any other facility or benefit for which the employer doesn't have to bear any extra cost if the board approves it. Profit on debt. The following incomes are exempt from tax subject to the limits if any mentions: A. Profit on debts received by a non-resident for a loan given to be utilized on the project in Pakistan approved by the government. B. Profit on debt payable to a non-resident person on a loan in foreign exchange against export letters of credit which is used exclusively for exports of goods manufactured in Pakistan. C. Profits on debt derived by Hub Power Company Limited after 1st July 1991 on its bank deposits or accounts with financial institutions. D. Profit on debts paid to an agency of a foreign government, a foreign national, or any other non-resident person approved by the government under a loan agreement or in respect of foreign country instruments. Any profit on debt derived from foreign currency account held with authorized bank in Pakistan. F. Profit on debts derived from a rupees account held with a scheduled bank by a citizen of Pakistan residing abroad, where the deposits are made through foreign exchange remittances. G. Profit on debts derived by a person, profit on debts derived by a foreign lenders or a local banking having more than 75% sharing holding of the government of Pakistan or the State Bank of Pakistan will be exempt for a period of 23 years with effect from 1st July 2016, provided it is earned under a finance agreement with the China Overseas Ports Holding Companies Limited. Income from collective investment schemes. Any distribution received by a person from a collective investment schemes registered by the Security Exchange Commission of Pakistan, the said trust will be exempt from tax. Thank you ji. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.